Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we are looking at a 2026 Cargo King Nomad, 8.5 feet wide, 18 feet long, with a lot of extra height. We'll get to that. It is finished in beautiful white, and we put our pure black powder coat package on it. It is sitting on tandem 5,200 pound axles with brakes on both axle. It is a V-nose, which is not part of that 18 feet. So let's walk around and take a look at it. First, I want to point out top there, that vent, that's a cross vent. We'll talk about those inside. Diamond plate up front, which has all been black powder coated. Walk around the side here. It's got an RV style 36-inch side door here with a deadbolt and a paddle lock. It's got a nice egress window, so if you camp in it, you can get out in case somebody locks you in. In the back, I want to point out this other vent to you. It's also got rear drop jacks, so you can drop it, be unhooked, and load up. The inside, this flooring is called quad ply. It's like a hard plastic, super durable flooring. It's got 9 D-rings inside. The rear door opening is 7 feet 6 inches tall. You got a tall side by side, no problem. Inside is 8 feet tall. So this is designed, you know, for a tall side by side or a tall Jeep or something. Here's that window. Like I said, you just pop these and it pops out. You have an egress window. You can unlock and lock your door from the inside. We talked about those cross vents. I have them placed up here, and then there's one in the lower back. That's so there's air flowing through your trailer 365 days a year, whether it's dry out or wet out. You can have moisture, so you have gas in here. There's always air flowing, so you don't have to worry about condensation and mildew. Plus it does have a roof vent as well, in case you know, on the nice day you want more airflow. We walk around back. I want to point out it has the rear spoiler, which is all blacked out with a couple loading lights on the back, so at nighttime you can load up. That's what this light switch right here is for. Plus, of course, it has an LED dome light. Has the starter flap on it, so we're easy loading. So we're going to close the door so you can see the back. Nice and easy. It's got the nice piano style hinges on it. There you go. See the back of it? Nice. Looks really sharp from the back. If you have questions about this trailer or any other trailer, give us a call at 503-666-7300 or reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com. If you'd like something like this, but in different color, different heights, different whatever, we'll order for you. We specialize in that. So feel free to give us a call. Thanks for looking. Have a wonderful day.